Hi, today I'd like to show you a feature on Formative that I've found particularly useful. Sometimes you might have an activity or something that you might give to students in the classroom as a handout, but now you would like to solicit digital responses instead. Maybe loading the document itself into Formative question by question is a little onerous. But Formative actually has a feature where you can enhance a document or an image directly in the Formative itself. So let me show you. So you're click on that, gives you the option of various items that you can upload in this feature. I'm going to upload a picture. The handout that I'm going to be using today is a graphing motion practice. I'm a physics teacher. And if I loaded this activity in one by one, I would have to take individual screenshots of graphs, upload those individual screenshots, and it would take a lot of time for me. So I actually took, to ensure my graphs maintained their formatting on the document, I took a screenshot of the document itself. So I just have to upload one thing, and then I can annotate the document to ask students questions. So here I've got an image. You can ask students questions generally about your document over here, but you can see on the document, I want students to respond to individual graphs. And so if you want students to look at a specific thing on your image or document and answer a question about a specific region on that document, you just click on the document itself. The little plus button comes up. And here I'm going to select multiple choice, right? You might want the students to respond with an equation or to show their work about a problem, or give a short answer or a response, or maybe record a video describing what's going on in your document. Those are all options, but I'm going to choose multiple choice. All right, so a number 1 shows up underneath the graph there, and then I can type my question. So I can say, identify the type of motion on this, we'll say in this graph. Okay. And then I've got the options on the document for what the responses should be. I can type those in here as well. So rest. Constant velocity forward. Constant velocity backward. Accelerating, speeding up. I can even add an option, accelerating, slowing down. Okay, and this happens to be constant velocity forward, so I will select the correct response. I could ask students to show their work. We could randomize the order that these options are listed in, and you can even tag standards here. Okay, the nice thing about this, the same responses are required for each of these graphs. So I can actually click on the stacked dots here, and I can copy this question. Right, it makes an identical question called number 2. Right, I can move that number 2 dot over here if I got it exactly where I wanted it. And then I could say, oh, this one, however, the correct response is the object is at rest. Sorry, that's bothering me. Okay, there we go. All right, and you can do that for all of these as well. All right, so number 3, constant velocity backwards. All right, so hopefully being able to upload a photo or a document is helpful for your use of Formative in your classroom practice. Good luck and hope you enjoy.